Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Uh, uh, I just want to give a disclaimer before we jump into the video. Who wants to make a money by doing trading? Then only try to open this account. Or else, if you want to make trading as your career, or else if you want to be a part-time job, like a part-time job, if you want to take trading as a part-time job, then only open this account, or else don't open this account. But we no need to worry. There is no annual maintenance charges for this application. You can also trade in this application like a futures, options, and cash market also in intraday also. And this application is for I'm using this application from past 1 year onwards, and I don't want to make any kind of videos. The main reason why I started making this video, up to now I didn't refer any people, but unfortunately someone asked me to share a referral link, and I shared them, and I earn 200 rupees by referring a one friend. That is the main reason. In YouTube also, a lot of people are nowadays, a lot of people are searching for the uh, uh, like trading and to open accounts, uh, friends. And as well as I just want to give another clarify also. If you open this account by my link, you can also get, you can also get a 200 rupees as a sign up bonus, and as well as I will also get a sign up bonus. Let's see how to refer and earn. Before that, friends, if you want to open an account, just tap on my link and you can also open. I will give link on the description. Definitely try to open this video, and let's check how to earn by referring money. I mean, okay, friends. If you see here, after you open an account, it's a very easy process, friends. Just tap on my link and you download the application and sign up with your mobile number. After that, complete your KYC verification, friends. And I also give another clarification. This application was registered by the CB and partner with NSE, National Stock Exchange. And I'm a full-time trader, and now I'm trading with a huge capital, because the main reason I started this application past 1 year ago, friends. And also I want to give a suggestion. I'm not any COVID batch, because nowadays lot of mm, mm, lot of people are saying that any trading channel or YouTube stock market channel is coming in YouTube, on social media. A lot of trading channels are making videos on them. These are waste videos, but I'm not giving any kind of strategy, or else I'm not going to sell any strategy. If you want to interest to open an account, just tap on my link and open an account. Then you can easily get a 200 rupees as a sign up bonus. Okay, my friend. I will give a link on description, and tap on that and install the application. And you can see, after downloading the app, open account, trading account, and place your first trade. And I want to also clarify one thing, friends. In this application, the trading will start from 50 rupees only. You can also trade in cash market with just 50 rupees. Because I just want to give an example. If you want to trade in a future, like if you are an option buyer, uh, you at least you need a 7k to 15k to trade in Upstock, Zero, the angel broking, like that. But in this application, you can only trade with just 500 rupees in Nifty, as well as simultaneously in Bank Nifty also. You can trade with just 500 rupees. You no need to worry, friends. After you opening a video, and the practice mode also will be available on the, just tap on that and try to practice on the live market. After you get confidence on you and your strategy, then start your video. Okay, now, friends, let's see. I think you get a clarify how to open an account. Just it's like a opening like a Upstox or Zero, the account same. And as well as today market is closed, because today is Sunday. And let's see, if you see here, like there is a practice mode, and just tap on that, and you can get a practice mode. And you can also trade in this mode in the live market. And daily I will trade in Nifty only. I love that Nifty. Okay, now friends, and let's see. Mm, I think you got to clarify about this one, and that's it, friends. If you want to learn any kind of strategy, try to open an account with my link. I will definitely contact you. I mean, if you open an account with my link, I will make. I will. I will. I will send a message for you. Thank you for opening like that. And also, friends, if you open account with my link, another 100 rupees as a sign up bonus I will send for you as a personal. It means if you open account with my link, you will get 300 rupees as a sign up bonus, and you can also refer your friends and you can earn. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching my video, and Jai Hind, friends.